Don't forget to subscribe for more simple keto recipes. Okay, so the challenge is to make keto coconut macaroons with only 3 ingredients. Challenge accepted.
3, 2, 1.
Ignition.
The instructions. Preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Separate 3 egg whites from their yolks and drop them into a large bowl. Use a hand mixer to whip the egg whites for 3 to 5 minutes until they form stiff peaks. Fold in 2 cups shredded coconut and 1/3 cup sweetener to the egg whites. Do not overmix. Use a tablespoon to scoop out small portions of the cookies and shape them into balls. Place the macaroons on the baking tray, about a ½ inch apart. Bake in your oven for 17 to 20 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. Congratulations! You've just made keto coconut macaroons. With only 0.6 grams net carbs per macaroon, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't indulge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious simple keto recipes. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box below for my favorite keto resources.